welcome back to Measure and Mix. I am so excited to participate in today's challenge, which is called the DIY Floral Challenge. And this is hosted by Lindsay from Dolmore Home and also Heidi from Happily Thriving Heidi. I will link their channels above in the iCards and also down below in the description box so you guys can check them out. I will also leave a link to the playlist above and below so you guys can watch everybody else's videos in this challenge. So for this challenge, we were to use floral of any kind and come up with something hopefully different or out of the box that a lot of people haven't seen before or never seen before. So that is what I'm going to try to do for you guys today, so stick around. Alright guys, so what I'm going to be doing is doing a floral design on this piece of wood here. And I have seen this done on Pinterest and I have wanted to try it for a long time, so I'm glad this challenge came around so that I could give it a try. So what I need for this is a piece of wood, which I have here, and I just got this from my scrap wood pile. I didn't cut it or anything, I just took it out and this is what I'm going to use. Then for my floral design, I have some napkins that I purchased from Amazon, and I believe they were $5.99 or $6.99. I'll leave the link down below if you guys want to check it out. But they had a ton of different floral designs, and this is just what I chose. I thought it was really pretty. And then I'm going to be making this into a tray after I do the floral design on it. So I have here a couple handles that I had lying around the house. I got those from Home Depot a long time ago. They were probably no more than $1.50, I believe. And then I have a sanding block, which I had already, some Mod Podge, and my paintbrush, which I already had. And then I have my drill over here to drill the handles in when I'm done. So let's get started on putting the floral pattern on the wood. Alright, so the first thing that I'm going to do is take my napkins here, and I am just going to peel these 2 plies off here because this is a 3-ply napkin and I just want the floral design and I want it to be as thin as possible. So I'm going to peel these off here. Alright, so now I am just left with the thin piece of napkin here, and I'm just going to place it onto my wood and line it up where I want it. And then I'm going to take my Mod Podge and go over top of it. And then I will just carefully, on the sides here, I will just carefully rip this part off, so that way I have a clean edge, because I just want the floral pattern to be on the top of the wood. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is let this Mod Podge dry, and then I'm going to come back and kind of distress it a little bit with my sanding block once it's all dry, and put my handles on, and that will be it. So I'll be back. Alright guys, so the Mod Podge is pretty much dry, and after coming back, I can see the wood grain really good through this, so I am not going to try to distress it. I'm gonna leave it as is. I like the bright colors and I think it's pretty like this, and I can definitely see the wood through it, so I think I am good. So all I'm gonna do now is just take my handles and attach the one to each side with the screws that came with it with my drill. Thank you guys so much for watching this DIY floral tray that I did for this challenge. Thanks again to Lindsay and Heidi for hosting this. It was so much fun to do. Don't forget to check out their channels and the playlist that I have linked. And if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button down below. I would love to have you here. Also, don't forget to hit the bell if you want to get notified every time I upload a new video. And I will see you guys next time. Take care. Bye-bye.